Hello, I'm Pedro and I'm a designer at Ford Australia, and today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a Ranger Raptor. Step 1, blocking out the shapes. This is where we set up the position of the truck on the page. This perspective I'm gonna use now is very simple. So let's start with a very horizontal line. I recommend to divide the front end in half. So 2 blocks. Not a problem if you want to rotate the page, as long as it's more comfortable for your arms, for your hand. Step 2, adding details. Drawing the features that make the Ranger Raptor unique. For example, the C-shaped headlamps, the Ford lettering grille, and the wide shoulders. Step 3, define the lines. This is where we add some weight to the lines and define the shapes. Step 4, adding some shadows. Final step, cleaning up and finishing touches. I'm Pedro, and that's how you draw a Raptor.